In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion. Open Notion and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, head to the left sidebar and click the plus icon that says Add a Page. A new page will open, and for the title, type My Sketchbook. Then press Enter. This gives you a clean place to keep your drawings, doodles, and visual notes. Now, it's important to know that Notion does not have a built-in freehand drawing canvas like a dedicated sketch app. So the easiest and most practical way to draw in Notion is to create your sketch in an external web-based drawing tool. Then embed that drawing directly into your Notion page so you can view and organize it there. Open a new browser tab and go to a drawing tool such as Excalidraw, Canva, or Miro. Any of these can work, as long as the tool lets you create a drawing and gives you a shareable or embeddable link. Once the drawing app loads, start a new blank canvas. Now begin creating your sketch. If you want to draw freely by hand, choose the pen or free draw tool. This is usually found in the left toolbar. Click it, then drag your cursor across the canvas to draw. If you want cleaner visuals, look through the tools on the left side and test the ones you need. Most drawing apps will give you options like rectangles, circles, arrows, straight lines, text, and selection tools. You can combine these however you want. For example, use the pen for rough sketching, then switch to shapes for boxes or circles. Add arrows to connect ideas, and use lines to create structure. If your app has a selection tool, use that to click on objects and move them around until the layout looks right. If needed, adjust colors, line thickness, or style settings to make the drawing easier to read. The main goal here is to finish the sketch in the external app before bringing it into Notion. Once your drawing looks the way you want, look for the Share button in the top area of the drawing application. Click it and choose the option that says something like Copy Embed Link or Copy Link to View. The exact wording may be a little different depending on the app you're using, but you want a link that lets Notion display the drawing. After copying the link, go back to your Notion page. Click anywhere in the blank area below your page title. Then type /embed and press Enter. Notion will insert an embed block with a field where you can paste your link. Paste the link you copied, then click Embed Link. In a moment, the drawing will appear inside your Notion page as an embedded block. This is the key step that makes drawing in Notion possible without leaving your workspace visually disconnected. Your sketch is now sitting right inside the page. Next, resize the embedded drawing so it's easier to view and work with. Click on the embedded block, then drag the blue dots or handles on the corners to make it larger or smaller. If your drawing feels cramped, you can give yourself more space by opening the Page menu in the top right corner. Click the three dots, then turn on Full Width. That expands the page layout and gives your embedded canvas more room. If you need a closer or more detailed view, select the embedded block and use the Open as Page option if it appears. This can help when you want to focus on the embedded content with fewer distractions. Depending on the app and how the embed behaves, this may open the content in a larger frame or its own view, which is useful for more precise editing. If you want to add more drawings, simply repeat the same process. Go back to your drawing app or open another canvas. Create a new sketch, copy its share or embed link, return to Notion, type /embed, paste the link, and embed it. You can create a full sketchbook page this way, or even make separate Notion pages for diagrams, brainstorming, wireframes, or handwritten style notes. At this point, your main task is done. You've created a Notion page, made a drawing in an external tool, and embedded that drawing so it appears directly inside Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A few quick tips to make this workflow smoother. If you plan to keep multiple drawings on one page, give each embed some space so the page doesn't feel cluttered. You can also add a heading above each drawing to label what it's for, like mind map, mockup, concept sketch, or notes. That makes your sketchbook much easier to navigate later. If you're using a tool like Excalidraw for simple diagrams and rough visual thinking, it's great for fast freehand work and arrows. If you want more polished visuals, Canva can be useful. If you're building collaborative boards or planning layouts with more structure, Miro can also work well. The embedding process in Notion is basically the same either way. Also remember that what you're editing usually lives in the external app, not directly inside Notion. So if you ever need to update the sketch, open the original drawing. Make your changes there, and the embedded version in Notion may reflect those changes depending on the service you're using. Once everything is in place, you'll see your drawing right inside your current Notion workspace, organized on the page you created. That is basically it, and you've successfully learned how to draw in Notion by sketching and embedding your work in a clean, practical way. Go ahead and try it now. Create your first sketchbook page and start adding your own doodles and diagrams. Congratulations! You now know how to draw in Notion.